codes found. 1. O2 sensor signals swapped. Bank1 sensor 1, Bank2 sensor 1. I have no idea what that is, to be honest. I believe it's, I don't know, is it the downstream or is it the upstream sensors that messing up? Because I replaced O2 sensor, but the oxygen sensor O2, Bank1 sensor 1, that's what I used to have before, and now this sensor. Let me reset it and see. Race codes, yes. Please wait where it's done. Alright, let's put this back. Come over here, start it off. Unplug the scan tool. Let's start it again. Let's crank it. Let me drive it really quick in the neighborhood and see if I'm gonna get the codes again. Oh, see? No, the car starts shaking. In RPM. Going up and down. Can you see it? Yeah, see it? Going up and down. Please, if you know what's causing this problem, let me know. I already replaced mass airflow sensor, all the spark plugs, all the coils, replaced Bank1 sensor, oxygen sensor, Bank1 sensor 1, and that's what I replaced, and I start having this issue. I didn't have this issue before. It just started now. It's shaking, no power in the car. Alright, I parked it, and let me plug in the tool really quick. Okay, so I'm gonna record the live data on this car. Okay, fuel system OL fault. Fuel system 2 OL fault. Do you guys know what that is? ECT. Let's go down and read the other codes or whatever that is. Please, guys, if you see anything unusual or something's not right, please let me know, so I can look into it, and hopefully that will fix my problem. Mass airflow sensor. I replaced it. It's a brand new one. Is that how it's supposed to read? 0.01? I don't know. TP airs. Let me see. Can I see a graphic on this one right here? Let me see two graphic. So, O2 Bank1 sensor 2 is working, I believe. It's fine, but what's the second, the bottom one? What's that? What is that? Let's go back. Let's see what this is. Alright, this is O2, Bank2, sensor 2. We have Bank1 over here. This one's reading 15, and this one's reading 35. That's reading 20 now. Okay, so these two should be good, I guess. Oh, wait. So I think this right here, these are the downstream oxygen sensors, right? The one that connected to the exhaust at the bottom. And these two is the one at the top, the upper one. So this one, Bank1, sensor 2 is good. Bank2, sensor 2 is reading 30. Okay, I have to look into this, and hopefully I can find something that can teach me, or something that's gonna make me understand the what's the numbers and how they supposed to be functional. Should they be close numbers? Because right now it's not close numbers. This is basically double numbers. So this is 30. When this becomes 15, this becomes 30. If this one becomes 20, this becomes 35. I have to look into this. Is that reading? Please, if one of you guys knows this information about the sensors right here, because I still believe I don't have an issue with misfires. I believe I have issue with the oxygen sensors. That's what I think. So if you know how to read this numbers, please let me know in the comments, and what should I need to know about them.